What is happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video. Let's go.
1, 2, 3,
Man, have you ever had that time where you don't know how to make rice? Well, this one will help you. Let's look at the Hamilton Beach rice cooker and steamer. Very nice, guys. Has a lot of options. I could see here on the box. We'll take a look at more of this later. But if you get the chance, hit the like button below. If you like this video, share it to your friends. Comment below what I could improve on the next video. Here's some literature, throw that out. Some styrofoam, we don't need that. Let's take this thing out, yep. Let's get this box out of the way. No, we don't need that. There we go, let's take this plastic out. Stuck with this cord.
A few moments later.
Let's take that out. Don't need that. Let me just flip my video. Here we go. It's a nice cord. Gave us a lot of slack here. Yeah, this can be used for rice, quinoa. If you have some yam, you can steam that too. You can use a bunch of things for this.
I'll take a double triple bossy deluxe on a raft, 4x4 animal style, extra shingles with a shimmy and a squeeze, light axle grease, make it cry, burn it and let it swim.
We serve food here, sir.
If you want me to make a video on what can I make with a rice cooker, comment below or hit the like button. They give you a cup for scooping your rice. They give you a spoon for your rice and this hole right here. So let's say you scoop some rice to your plate. You can put this on that hole and then the next person can take it from here and scoop their rice on their plate as well. Steamer plastic right here where you put your veggies and whatnot. And then the actual rice cooker pot. Very handy, guys. Let's take this plastic out, throw that out. Yeah, it comes to 10 cups, very big. If you have a party or whatnot, you can fill this up and you can feed everyone. Let's put this all back together and let's try this out. Let's put it on our table here. Here we go. I got some sprouted rice and quinoa blend. This one's pricey, but I like it a lot. It's very good, very healthy. We're trying to live healthy here. And the instruction says it needs double the amount of water. I'm just gonna use the cup to measure the water and pour it in this. As soon as you plug this in, it will make a noise that indicates that it's plugged in. And then if you keep it there after it's cooking, it'll keep it warm as well. That's very nice. I'll show you here how much water I got. Here we go, not too bad. Let's put it in here. Remember this part, the plastic part where you steam your vegetables. This is gonna be useful for our next step here. Let me just put some yams in here as well. And then as soon as you press start, you select a mode. I'm gonna put whole grain here for 60 minutes. And then if you keep it, it'll stay on and it'll start immediately. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, comment below what I could improve on, and share this to your friends. Peace.
1, 2, 3.